So I've got 10 primary keys for your success. Number one, mindset and abandoning the negative. That's the first, that's the most important thing I want you to get to. The way you think, and basically taking anything that's negative and destroying it in your mind immediately is the number one thing you can do to be successful. Now, I have to clarify something with this negative thing. There's two kinds of negative. There's just straight up self-doubt. Maybe they won't really like me. You know, I'll tell you the number one reason that people get nervous when they start publicly speaking is maybe they won't listen to me. Maybe they won't like me. Don't think that, because you'll screw yourself up. You'll end up there going, and like fumbling and like not really putting inflection in your word. All of that is all about fear that the people won't like you. If they weren't willing to give you a fair shake, they wouldn't be sitting their ass in front of you listening to you. You're in front of friendlies when you do public speaking. Relax, right? But that mindset is important. Now, the negative, though, you have to be careful that throwing away the negative doesn't mean ignoring actual problems. So you need to look at the negative thought for just a second and say, is this actually a thing? Is this actually an issue? Is this what I'm concerned about, if the quality of the product that I'm building is not there yet? Now, it will never be perfect before you go to market, so I'm not talking about that. But if it's got a legitimate flaw, then you put that into corrective action, not negative thoughts. If it doesn't fit into something you could do something about, you abandon it. You destroy it. If you have to, crystallize an image of whatever represents it in your mind and watch it in your mind explode into oblivion. And do that as many times as you have to until it's dead. Until you don't, every time you see it, again, every time it comes back, every time you feel it creeping into your life, visualize some image, even if it's the image of the words in front of you, and see it like a nuclear bomb, like worse than a nuclear bomb, like a pulsar turning into a black hole, destroying an entire solar system. See it that way until it's gone. Because if you don't change your mindset, you aren't going anywhere.